Look at this cute twist out. It is to die for. Hey Kurls, welcome to part 2 of this 2-part video of a twist out tutorial. What you can see me doing here is I am using the Cream of Nature 7 essential oils just to lubricate my fingers when I am taking down my twists. This is really important to make sure you are eliminating the frizz and just protecting your ends and the hair as you take your twists down. When you're doing this, you want to be really careful, so if you just pull one of the twists and then unravel with the other hand, and that way you're going to get less frizz when you are separating your hair and styling. So it's really important that when you do your twists, your hair is 100% dry. I did actually leave my hair for 2 days before taking these twist outs down just to make sure that my hair was dry, otherwise it will go frizzy. I'm just warning you now. So yeah, that's all I do, literally just repeat the process all over my head. Make sure your fingers are nice and oily, make sure your nails are cut and there's no snags. Pull one side and then unravel with the other side, just gently making sure that you're not creating lots of frizz for the moment anyway. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more content. And here you can see me just finishing off my last twist, just unraveling it. And there we go. So the next thing you want to do when you've unraveled all of your twists is you want to start separating your curls out. This is going to give you the most volume. If you want to wear it just how it is, it's absolutely fine, but I prefer mine to be a lot bigger and a lot more voluminous. And then I'll just go in and shake out my roots, just because I find that obviously when you part your hair and you twist your hair, it creates parts and sections, and you don't want that when you are wearing your hair in the style. So I just go in and shake out my roots, and then I'll just go back and use a afro pick just to pick out my roots and make this a lot more voluminous, because I'm not really a fan of my hair being small. This will give you a little bit of frizz. If you don't like frizz, I'd suggest you don't pick your hair out, but for me, I don't mind the frizz because my hair is generally frizzy anyway. So yeah, that is pretty much the trick to getting a good twist out. And then obviously just keep separating and picking out as you go, depending on what shape you want. This is my final look. It turned out really cute. I was really happy with the result that I got. And that is it from me. Make sure you subscribe to see more curly hair and fitness tips, and I will see you in the next one.